Okay, so I've got more soil. I have to get more pumice, but anything inorganic really is the key. And so I've got these pebbles that adds drainage and mass, and I put them in there with the pumice because I'm out of pumice and I'm gonna get some more, but it doesn't matter. They're not porous, but they do provide drainage, and that is the key. It's all about drainage, and I'm gonna mix that well. There we go. Cool. So there we go. Then now let's see what's in this. So this is a hybrid, and yeah, perfect. There, look at that, slots right in, and no issues. Little stone. I want to do jagged edges theme because it is the there we go. There. Nice.